Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Citi Premier Card Review My Usage Experience. Citi Premier Card Review My Usage Experience offers a detailed analysis of the Citi Premier Card, focusing on its benefits, drawbacks, and suitability for different users. It aims to help potential cardholders make an informed decision about whether this card aligns with their financial goals and spending habits. Key features likely include comparisons to similar cards, analysis of rewards programs, and a discussion of fees and interest rates. Their website provides details on various aspects of the card, including the application process and frequently asked questions. The review process, based on what I can infer, highlights the card's strengths, potentially its travel benefits, purchase protection, or high rewards rate, and weaknesses, possibly annual fees or specific spending categories with lower rewards. The service positions itself as an independent assessment, offering a balanced perspective to help users determine if the Citi Premier Card is the right choice for them. No hidden fees or contracts are involved in accessing the information. It's a standalone review. Availability is readily accessible online. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Citi Premier Card Review My Usage Experience. I was initially drawn to the review because I was considering applying for the Citi Premier Card myself. Getting started was incredibly easy. I simply accessed the website and began reading. The information was well organized and easy to navigate, with clear headings and concise explanations. The review meticulously compared the Citi Premier Card to other premium travel cards, which really helped me understand where it stood in the market. I particularly appreciated the detailed breakdown of the rewards program and how to maximize its value. The quality of the information was excellent. It felt thorough and unbiased. I had a quick question about a specific reward category and contacted their support via the website's contact form. They responded within 2 days with a helpful answer. I was really impressed by how clearly they presented complex financial information. One minor drawback was the lack of interactive elements. It would have been nice to have a calculator to estimate potential rewards based on my spending habits. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the Citi Premier Card Review My Usage Experience. It provided the independent, detailed analysis I was looking for, helping me make a confident decision about whether or not to apply for the card. That's my overview of Citi Premier Card Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.